In a major boost to Gujarat's infrastructure and economic development, Housing and Urban Development Corporation Limited has signed a memorandum of understanding with the Government of Gujarat to provide financial assistance of up to 1 lakh crore rupees over the next 2 years. Mazga Dock Shipbuilders Limited welcomed Ms. Sato Hitomi, Consul General of Japan in Mumbai, for discussions aimed at strengthening India-Japan maritime and industrial cooperation and exploring new avenues of collaboration in shipbuilding and maritime infrastructure. Central Mine Planning and Design Institute has commenced a G4 level reconnaissance survey for copper in the Jawan block of Singrauli district, Madhya Pradesh, marking a significant step in the company's strategic expansion into non-coal mineral exploration. State Bank of India, the country's largest lender, has approved a massive fundraising plan of up to 60,000 crore rupees during FY 2026-27 through various debt instruments, including Basel III compliant additional Tier 1 AT1 and Tier 2 bonds. The approval was granted by the bank's central board during its meeting held on Thursday, June 18, 2026. NTPC Renewable Energy Limited has awarded a 1,338.03 crore rupees engineering, procurement and construction package to Bondada Engineering Limited for the development of a 250 megawatt solar PV project coupled with a 50 megawatt/200 megawatt hours battery energy storage system at Sitapur, Uttar Pradesh. HPCL has announced that the restoration work of the crude distillation unit at HPCL Rajasthan Refinery Limited has been completed, and the unit has been successfully restarted. The development comes nearly 2 months after a localized fire in the CDU heat exchanger stack on April 20, 2026, which had temporarily impacted operations at the refinery. NTPC Renewable Energy Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of NTPC Green Energy Limited, has issued an invitation for bids (IFB) for the development of a 240 megawatt/960 megawatt hours interstate transmission system connected battery energy storage system at the NTPC REL Devikod solar plant in Rajasthan. Mishra Dhatu Nigam Limited, a Mini Ratna Category 1 defence public sector undertaking under the Ministry of Defence Government of India, has achieved a significant milestone by successfully producing armour-grade aluminium alloy white plates for defence applications through indigenous processing for the first time in the country. India's leading public sector oil undertakings are undergoing a monumental shift, pivoting from traditional fossil fuels toward a cleaner, sustainable energy future. Industry giants including Indian Oil Corporation, Bharat Petroleum, and Oil and Natural Gas Corporation have aggressively aligned their corporate strategies with India's climate goals. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh will perform the Bhumi Pujan for Yantra India Limited's state-of-the-art 10,000-ton aluminium extrusion press at the Ordnance Factory, Ambajhari, Nagpur, Maharashtra, on June 19, 2026. According to the Ministry of Defence, the proposed 10,000-ton aluminium extrusion press will emerge as a significant national asset for the defence manufacturing sector.